What is the RICO Act? The RICO Act, formerly known as the Racketeer Influenced and Corrupt Organizations Act, is a United States federal law passed in 1970. It was enacted to combat organized crime, particularly activities conducted by criminal organizations or enterprises. The Act provides for both criminal and civil penalties for individuals and organizations engaged in certain patterns of racketeering activity. Key points about the RICO Act include: Part 1. Purpose. The primary aim of the RICO Act is to target and prosecute the activities of organized crime syndicates, including activities like extortion, loan sharking, bribery, illegal gambling, drug trafficking, and other criminal enterprises. Part 2. Racketeering activity. The Act defines specific, predicate offenses that constitute racketeering activity. These include various criminal acts like murder, kidnapping, bribery, extortion, and fraud, among others. Part 3. Pattern of racketeering activity. To be subject to RICO prosecution, a person or organization must engage in a pattern of racketeering activity. This typically involves multiple instances of qualifying criminal behavior over a specified time period. Part 4. Criminal and civil penalties. The RICO Act provides for both criminal and civil penalties. Criminal penalties can include fines, imprisonment, and the forfeiture of assets acquired through illegal activities. Civil penalties allow for the recovery of damages by parties harmed by the racketeering activity. Part 5. Forfeiture of assets. One of the powerful tools provided by the RICO Act is the ability to seize and forfeit assets gained through illegal activities. This can significantly impact the financial resources of organized crime groups. Part 6. Private right of action. The Act allows private individuals or entities that have been harmed by racketeering activities to bring civil lawsuits against those engaged in such activities. Successful plaintiffs can recover damages. Part 7. Enterprise liability. The RICO Act can be applied not only to individuals engaged in racketeering activities but also to entire enterprises or organizations that engage in a pattern of such activities. This includes both legal and illegal organizations. Part 8. Application beyond organized crime. While originally intended to combat organized crime, the RICO Act has been used in a variety of contexts, including cases involving corruption, fraud, and other white-collar crimes. Part 9. Complex legal tool. The RICO Act is a complex legal framework that requires a detailed understanding of the law's provisions and how they apply to specific cases. As such, it has been the subject of extensive legal interpretation and precedent. The RICO Act has been an important tool in the prosecution of organized criminal enterprises in the United States. It has been used in a wide range of cases, from traditional organized crime groups to cases involving corruption, financial fraud, and more.